And Spain's got smooth roads. That's ridiculous. We've literally crossed the border and found tarmac perfection. Manual mode. Vicky, hold on to your vomit. We're gonna see what this thing can do. Lovely. I've probably used about 30% throttle at the moment, which is terrifying. I have to say this road probably isn't built for Turbo S, it's more GT3 territory with all these turns. But it is still being a 911 and handling beautifully, and oh wow, this road is opening up. There we go. Okay, so that was only about 50%. Oh, this thing is just too quick. Oh, Spain in your tarmac. You are a beauty. Okay, am I playing Forza right now? I genuinely think I might be playing Forza. This is, oh my god, this was a complete mistake, and I've ended up on one of my favorite roads ever. Oh no, forest fires. Oh, sketchy collapsing trees. Let's get out of here. Turbo S, not only a great car to hoon on a mountain road, but also one to escape from fires. Oh, it's quite sad actually. Look at all the devastation. We've been seeing this all around the world. Just so many hillsides, mountainsides burned to a crisp. Oh, don't tell me that's an M3. No, okay. I thought for a second we had competition up here on the mountain roads.
I think they're scared to run.
I think they might be scared of the fires too. Now I have no idea what kind of audio you guys are getting, because I've got the old point of view GoPro on, which can sometimes be a bit dodgy. If you're wondering where the sort of engine noise, exhaust note is, there isn't really one. That is a criticism I will say of the Turbo S. Okay, that was full that was full acceleration. Oh, and I slightly lost my voice and my breath. Oh, yep. That's true what they say. The Turbo S is very, very fast, but it does sound like a Hoover. How's your stomach, Vix?
Feeling better. Actually.
Feeling better? Oh, maybe the turbo's a cure. I could do this road all day, all night. What an absolutely amazing little find. And now we're in a forest stage. I'm hoping we're going to pop over the top of this latest hill or mountain and get some epic view. We'll hold on to that for 2 seconds and then I'll round up this point of view section. The acceleration is just batty. Wow. Okay, well, Turbo S, Maybe you're not quite as sharp as a GT product once you get onto the real twisties, but your straight line speed makes up for it. Unbelievable.